Tired of wasting time on sketchy survey sites that never pay? In this video, you'll discover a legitimate market research platform that truly values your opinions and pays you anywhere from 15 cents to over $3 for every survey you complete. Don't miss this opportunity to turn your spare time into real income. Watch now and start earning with trustworthy online surveys. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Want to make money just by sharing your opinion? It's easier than you think. Pinecone Research is a totally legit site where you can get paid just for taking surveys. They usually pay between 15 cents and $3 or more per survey, so it's actually one of the better paying options out there if you're looking to make some extra cash online. You can earn as many rewards as you want for qualifying and finishing surveys. There's no cap. Whenever you finish a survey, your reward gets added to your account right away, no waiting around. And hey, you can score rewards for all sorts of things you do on Pinecone Research. Some rewards are cash, while others are entries into sweepstakes. You can earn just by taking surveys, quizzes, playing games, filling out your profile, you name it. Since 2000, they've run more than 50,000 paid surveys and handed out over $51 million in rewards. Whenever you rack up $10 or more in rewards, you can swap them for a Visa gift card, an Amazon gift code, or pick from over 1,800 different gift cards, all sent straight to your email. Imagine turning your coffee break into extra spending money or saving up for something special, all from the comfort of your couch. People all over are earning with Pinecone Research, enjoying a flexible side income that actually adds up. Sign up now to start earning easy cash. Spots fill up fast, so don't miss out. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.